I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon and avocado sushi rolls. First, rinse 5 cups of sushi rice thoroughly until the water is clear. Then cook the rice with 75 cups of water in a rice cooker or on the stove top. Once cooked, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of sushi vinegar, allowing it to cool slightly. This perfectly seasoned rice is the foundation of delicious sushi. Next, let's prepare our delicious fillings. Carefully slice 4 ounces of sushi-grade salmon into uniform 0.25-inch strips. For the avocado, cut 1 ripe fruit into thin, even slices, ensuring they are easy to roll. Have your nori sheets ready, along with any other favorite additions like cucumber or cream cheese. Proper preparation makes rolling much smoother. Now for the fun part, rolling. Lay a nori sheet on your bamboo mat, shiny side down. Gently spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your salmon and avocado fillings neatly across the center of the rice. Use the mat to tightly roll the sushi, applying gentle pressure as you go. Finally, let's finish and enjoy your homemade sushi. Moisten a very sharp knife and slice each roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. A clean cut makes all the difference in presentation. Serve your beautiful salmon and avocado rolls immediately with soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. For an easier cleanup after your culinary adventures, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.